यस, देखिए हमारा टॉपिक है आज इनवर्स ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स। हम किसी भी मैट्रिक्स का इनवर्स कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी चेक द गिवन मैट्रिक्स हैज द इनवर्स और नॉट with the help of the determine the value of the det A, or the det A of this matrix is 1 0 0 cos alpha, or that is sin alpha, or 0 sin alpha minus cos alpha, or this is equal to 1 into minus that is cos square alpha or minus sin square alpha, और प्लस 0 आ जाएगा ये, और दैट इज 0, और दिस इज इक्वल टू -1 बाय द आइडेंटिटीज which is not equal to 0. So this implies that A inverse is exist. इसका मीन क्या हुआ कि यहाँ पर हमारा इनवर्स मैट्रिक्स जो है एग्जिस्ट करेगा। इनवर्स निकालने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं कोफैक्टर्स का। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड द cofactor of this matrix, or that is A11, A12, or that is A13, A21, A22, or that is A23, A31, A32, or A33. Now, by deleting the first row and the first column, we get that is this into this minus cos square alpha or minus sin square alpha. This is equal to -1. Now, by deleting the first row and second, first row and that is second column, this into this 0, this into this, that is equal to 0. Similarly, this is also equal to 0. Now, the cofactor of the second row by deleting the second row and the first column. That is second row and the first column. This into this 0 minus this into this 0, or that is A22. That is second row or second column. This into this, that is minus cos alpha, or this is equal to आपका second row को डिलीट किया, और that is third column. That is आपका देखिए ये हो गया आपका फर्स्ट कॉलम और सेकंड रो। तो इट मीन्स दिस इनटू दिस, दिस इज द सेकंड रो और द फर्स्ट कॉलम। देखिए अगेन यू सी सेकंड रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम, तो देन दिस इनटू दिस माइनस दिस इनटू दिस, दैट इज 0। नाउ दिस इनटू दिस माइनस cos alpha इनटू 0, और A23 this यानी कि that is also equal to the minus के cos alpha, that is now third row के हमारे कोफैक्टर आ जाएंगे, थर्ड रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम। तो this into this और this into this is equal to 0, थर्ड रो, और that is sin alpha। और सिमिलरली आपका थर्ड कॉलम और थर्ड रो, और दैट इज दिस इज इक्वल टू cos alpha. Now these are the minus. Now we change the sign. 1 1 no change, 1 2 change, no change, or that is change, no change, or that is change, plus 3 1 3 2, that is minus, or 3 3. So therefore the A inverse is equal to adjoint of A or divided by that A, और this is equal to, अगर हम देखें तो -1 और that is 0 0 और 0 minus cos alpha, और that is cos alpha, 0 minus sin alpha, और that is cos alpha, और डिवाइडेड बाई -1। डेल्टा की वैल्यू हमारी माइनस है, तो दिस माइनस को हम अंदर अगर भेज दें प्लस, that is आपका plus, that is minus, that is plus or that is minus. So therefore the inverse of this square matrix should be equal to this. Next, you see the next question. Yes, if the given there are two matrices A and B, if A is equal to, if the matrix A is equal to, that is 3 2 7 5, 3 2 or that is 7 5, and B is equal to, that is the matrix A, B is equal to 6 8 7 9, 6 8 or 7 9. Then verify that, हमें वेरीफाई करना है, वेरीफाई दैट ए बी होल इनवर्स शुड बी इक्वल टू दैट इज बी इनवर्स और ए इनवर्स. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में हमारा प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स ए एंड बी, दैट इज 3 7 2 or 5, and the matrix B is 6 8 7 or 9. Now this is equal to row by column, or this is the 3 6 18 or plus 49, or that is R1 into C1, R1 into C2, that is 24 or plus 63. Now we find the value of R2 into this C1, 2 6 12 or plus 35, or that is 16 or plus 45, or this is equal to, अगर हम देखें 8 और 9 17, 1 4 5 67, 4 3 7, or that is 87, or that is equal to, you know, that is 5 to 7, 3 or 1, that is 4, 6 or 5 11, 4 or 1 5, or that is 6. So therefore the product of this matrix is this, or now we find the value of the AB whole inverse. AB whole inverse अगर हम देखें तो यहाँ पर देखिए, first of all we find the value of B inverse or A inverse. A inverse is equal to, that is determinant of A or adjoint of A divided by that A, और दिस इज इक्वल टू, अगर हम यहाँ देखें जैसे 5 3 15 और माइनस 14, दैट इज 1. तो therefore adjoint of A is the cofactor row by, that is the first row and first column. This is 5 or that is 2, you see here, or that is 3. This element 7, or that is, you see 3. Now the position of the element, अगर हम देखें यहाँ पर, तो this is the A11, A12 minus, or that is A12 minus of this. So this is the A inverse. Similarly, we can find the value of the B inverse, or that is adjoint of B upon that is that B, or this is equal to, now you see 9 6 54, or 1 upon 54, or that is minus 7 8 that is 56, or this is the inverse of this. You see 9 7 or that is 8 or that is 6. Then minus 7 or minus 8 और this is equal to, अगर हम देखें यहाँ पर तो 1 by minus 2 or 9 minus 8 minus 7 or 6. So there it is B inverse into A inverse is equal to minus 1 by 2 or into B inverse 9 minus 7 minus 8 6 and 5 minus 7 minus 2 and 3. This is again we multiply by row and column. So this is equal to minus 1 by 2. 9 5 45 or that is minus minus plus 16 minus 63 or minus 24 or that is minus 35 or plus or minus 35 or that is minus a 7 5 are 35 or this into this that is minus 12 plus 49 or plus 18 or this is equal to minus 1 by 2 as you see 61 or 437 or 6 to 8 minus 87 minus 47 or that is 67. This is the right hand side. Now we find the inverse of AB. Whole inverse of that is AB. So first of all we find the value of here RHS. Determinant of AB by the property determinant of AB or determinant of B or determinant of AB is 5315 or minus 14 or into that is 6954 or minus 8756 or this should be equal to minus 2 or therefore the value of AB whole inverse is equal to adjoint of AB divided by that of AB, that is that of AB. Now if we write the inverse of this matrix, देखिए हमें इनवर्स इसका निकालना है तो वी राइट द कोफैक्टर ऑफ दिस minus 1 upon 2 or that is 61 or that is 61 or that is 60 47 or that is 87 or this is 67 or minus position of this element is A11 or that is A12 or that is A11 or that is A12 or that is also in the old position. So this implies that we get from this result and the inverse of this AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse or this result is true for every two matrix A and B. अगर हम कोई भी दो मैट्रिक्स लें सभी के लिए रिजल्ट आपका ट्रू होगा. Yes. Now the next question for the matrix A, find the numbers, real numbers A and B such that A square plus A into A plus BI is equal to 0. Hence find A inverse. इस रिजल्ट का यूज करते हुए हमें यहाँ पर ए इनवर्स भी फाइंड आउट करना है। सॉल्यूशन देखिए, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ ए एंड बी, ए स्क्वायर और प्लस ए इंटू ए और प्लस बी आई इज इक्वल टू 0 और दिस implies that is a square 3 1 2 1 or that is 3 2 1 1 or plus a into 3 2 or that is 1 1 or plus b into 1 0 0 1, that is identity matrix. Now first of all we find the multiplication of the matrix this and this. कैसे? 3 3 9 और plus 2 11 और that is 3 2 6 और plus 2 8 और that is 3 और plus 1 4 और 1 2 और plus 1 3 और प्लस a को हम अंदर भेज देंगे, दैट इज 3a 2a और a प्लस यानी a, यहाँ हम b के अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे स्केलर मल्टीपल इन मैट्रिक्स दैट इज b इज इक्वल टू 0 और दिस इंप्लाइज दैट, अगर हम यहाँ देखें तो ये मैट्रिक्स हमारी बन गई 11 प्लस 3a और प्लस b और 8 और प्लस 2a और दैट इज 4 प्लस a और दैट इज 3 प्लस a प्लस b और दिस इज a zero matrix. We write this as zero matrix. So therefore by comparing the corresponding element of both matrix we get here, इसे हम ले लेते हैं, देखो 8 प्लस 2a और दैट इज इक्वल टू हमारे पास 0 आ गया और दिस इंप्लाइज दैट a इज इक्वल टू -4. नाउ अगर हम यहाँ पर देखें 4 प्लस a इज इक्वल टू 0 तो देन द वैल्यू ऑफ a इज आल्सो इक्वल टू -4. इट मींस आवर क्वेश्चन इज राइट. नाउ that is 3 or plus a or plus b is equal to 0 or put the value of a is -4 or plus b is equal to 0 or b is equal to that is plus given. This is the value of b. So therefore we get the identities or by using this result we find the value of the A inverse. देखिए A inverse की वैल्यू हमें निकालनी है इस रिजल्ट का यूज करते हुए, तो दैट इज a स्क्वायर और प्लस a, बट द वैल्यू ऑफ a इज -4a और प्लस b, b मीन्स 1 और दैट इज I इज इक्वल टू 0. By operating multiply by A inverse on both sides. अगर हम दोनों साइड पर मल्टीप्लाई करें A इनवर्स की, इसे A स्क्वायर को लिख सकते हैं A इंटू A और दैट इज A -4A इनवर्स इंटू A और प्लस A inverse into I is equal to 0. Now, by the property or by the definition of the inverse matrix, we know that A inverse into A is equal to identity matrix, that is IA, or -4I or plus A inverse is equal to 0. Or this implies that A inverse is equal to 4i minus this into this I into A. अगर हम किसी भी मैट्रिक्स को आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो आने वाली मैट्रिक्स हमें A ही मिलेगी, सेम मैट्रिक्स रहेगी. or now putting the value of here identity matrix, that is say 4, 0, 0 or 4, or minus A matrix, that is 3, 2, 1 or 1, or this is equal to 4 minus 3, that is 1, minus 2, or that is minus 1, or that is 4 minus 1 is 3. So therefore the inverse of the A is equal to this. Here we does not find the A inverse by using the cofactor method, but here we find the A inverse by using this identities. इस आइडेंटिटीज का यूज करते हुए मैं A इनवर्स निकालना है. यस, देखिए नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हमारा एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट एंड मैट्रिक्स फॉर सॉल्विंग द सिस्टम ऑफ द लीनियर इक्वेशन यूजिंग इनवर्स ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स. Let me consider the system of the linear equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, and this is the second equation, and similarly this is the third equation. So then first of all we express the system in the form of the matrix multiplication as, हम लोग इसको ऐसे लिखेंगे, this is the matrix obtained by taking the coefficient of the variables x, y and z. A1 that is b1, c1, a2, b2 that is c2, a3, b3 or that is c3. X, y, z that is called a variable matrix, or this is equal to, that is a constant matrix d1, d2 and d3. Now again, if we find the product of these matrix, then we get the equation as that is the first row, or this is the column. So then R1 into C1, that is A1x plus B1y plus C1z is equal to D1. We obtain the first equation, and similarly A2x plus B2y plus C2z is equal to D2. That is the second equation. Similarly, we get the third equation. So therefore, we can express this system of the linear equation in the form of the matrix, or this implies that we say that is called the matrix A, or that is called the H matrix, or this is say equal to B. Now we want to find the solution of the x, y, z value. That is, we calculate here the value of the matrix X. But because we know that we cannot divide the matrix B with the matrix A, so in place of division of the matrix, we use the inverse of the matrix by operating A inverse on both sides. We get A inverse into AX, or that is A inverse B, or this implies that Ix is equal to, that is say A inverse B, or this implies that X is equal to, that is say A inverse B. So therefore the value of the variable matrix X should be is equal to A inverse B. Now to find the value of the X, first of all we calculate the value of the A inverse. But it is not necessary the inverse of the matrix A will be exist or not. It is depend on the value of the determinant. Therefore, to solving the linear equation, we use also the determinant of the matrix. Now, there are the some case are if number wise case first अगर हम लोग देखें यहाँ पर, तो the matrix equation have a unique solution if the inverse of the matrix is exists. Number one, case first. If A inverse is exist, that is that A is non-zero, so then the system has unique solution and the system is called consistent. The system is called consistent if they have a unique solution, or that is say one solution. Yes. Case second. If A is a singular matrix, if A is a singular matrix, that is determinant of A is equal to 0, then we calculate adjoint of A into B. Then if adjoint of A into B not equal to 0, then the system has, in this case, the system has no solution. And the system is called inconsistent. Inconsistent. Second, or if adjoint of A into B is equal to 0, then the system has many infinitely solutions. And the system is called consistent. That is, देखिए, if A is a non-singular matrix, that is the non-singular matrix, we find the value of that A should be equal to 0. Then this matrix is called a non-singular matrix. So then we calculate the value of the adjoint of A into B. If adjoint of A into B should be equal to 0, then the system has, we say, decision system has a no solution, and the system is called inconsistent in case of it has no solution. But if the adjoint of A into B may be 0, then the system has many infinitely solution, and system is called the consistent. Or in this case, we find the arbitrary solution. Yes, we see here the problems, that is, solve the following system of the equation by using matrix method. These are the given equation in the three variables. Now, first of all, we write this system in the form of the matrix multiplication method, that is, say, Ax plus B, where matrix A is the coefficient matrix 3, -2, 3, 2, 1, -1, 4, -3, 2. Into that is called the variable matrix A, x, y, z is equal to, that is say the matrix X, and the matrix B is equal to, and the matrix B is called the constant matrix, and the matrix B is 8, 1 or 4. First of all, we find the value of the det A, or det A is equal to 3 into 2 in the 2, or -3 plus 2 into 2 to the 4, or plus 4, or plus 3 into, that is -6 or -4, or this is equal to -1, that is -3, or for 8 to the 60, or -10, that is -30, or this is equal to, that is 16 or -33 is equal to, हमने देखिए इसमें that of A is equal to, that is -3. Again we check for the 8 or to 16 plus, or that is minus k 10, or 10 to the 30, or this is equal to minus k 17, not equal to 0. Now we find the cofactor of the मैट्रिक्स ए। देखिए मैट्रिक्स ए के हम लोग इसमें निकालेंगे कोफैक्टर, और जो कोफैक्टर हम किस तरह से निकालेंगे, दैट इज A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 or A33. Now the cofactor of the first row is equal to, that is -1, or that is 8, 4 or that is 8, or -10. Now we find the cofactor of the second row, that is the second row. देखिए this is -4 और +9, -4 + 9 5, or that is 236, that is 236 or -12 is equal to -6. Now -9 or +8 is equal to, that is -1. Now the cofactor of the third row, that is -+2 or -3, -1, or that is third row के cofactor -3 or -6, -3 or -6, -9, or that is 1, 3 or +4 is equal to 7. Here we check the cofactor very carefully. That is we check again, that is -1 or that is -8 or that is -10, 5, -6, 1, -1, 9 or that is -7. Now but these are we find the minor. Now we change these minor into the cofactors. और cofactors में हमसे कैसे तब्दील करेंगे? That is 1 plus 1 is even, no change. That is change, minus 8, no change. That is change, no change. That is change, no change, or that is change. So therefore we write the A inverse is equal to, that is the A inverse is equal to adjoint of A or divided by that A, or this is equal to minus 1 minus 8 minus 10 minus 5 minus 6 1 minus 1 9, or that is 7. Now on putting the value of this matrix A, so therefore that is say the actual solution is A inverse B, or X is equal to, that is A inverse minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 minus 8 minus 6 9 minus 10 1 and 7, or into the matrix B is 8 1 and 4. Now we find the multiply of A inverse into B, or then we get the matrix X is equal to A inverse B, or here that is minus K 1 upon 17. This is minus 1 upon 17. Please see, here we not multiply the value of that A in the matrix, because if we multiply the value of the determinant A in this matrix, then we get the every element of this matrix in the form of the fraction. In this case, the calculation is very difficult. So therefore, first of all, we find the multiply, that is minus 8, or this is minus 5, or that is minus 4. Minus 1 upon 17. Minus minus 8, 64, or minus 6, or that is plus 36, or that is minus 80, or 1, or plus 28. Now X is equal to minus 1 by 17, 8 by 13, or minus 4, that is minus 17. Now these यहाँ पर 30 आपके प्लस के बच गए 30, और that is minus के 64 4, or that is 34 minus 34. There is also, if you see, 28 or 129, 80 minus 29, or that is 1, or 7 से 2 गए, that is 5. 51 माइनस के, और x इज इक्वल टू, अब हम इसकी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, that is प्लस के 1, और that is 2 or 3. Or here also we put the value of x, y and z is equal to this. Or this implies that x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, or z is equal to 3 is the set of solution, or it is a complete answer. Yes, if matrix A is equal to this, find A inverse, and using A inverse, इसके जो inverse निकलेगा उससे यूज करते हुए solve the following system of the equation. Solution. First of all, we find the value of the that A, or that is that A is equal to 2 into, or that is minus 4 or plus 4 plus 3 into minus 6 or plus 4 or plus 5 into that is 3 or this into this minus 2. Again we check, एक बार फिर चेक कर लेते हैं. The value of that is minus 4 or minus plus, or that is minus 6 or plus 4, or that is 3 or minus 2. So therefore that is right. 0 or minus 2 or minus 6 or plus k 5, or this is equal to minus 1 not equal to 0, or this implies that A inverse is exist. हम कह सकते हैं यहाँ पर कि A inverse exist करेगा. Now we find the value of cofactor A11, that is A12, or that is A13, A21, A22 or A23, that is A31, A32 or A33. Now देखिए कोफैक्टर फर्स्ट तो आपके आगे 0 यही उठ जाएंगे. कोफैक्टर हमेशा ध्यान रखिए. और दैट इज से -2 और दिस इज इक्वल टू 1. नाउ वी फाइंड द कोफैक्टर ऑफ द सेकंड रो, और सेकंड रो मींस आपका आ गया ये माइनस और माइनस प्लस के, दैट इज 6 माइनस माइनस, दैट इज प्लस के 6. Here we find this into this plus k 6 or minus 5 is equal to say 1, that is equal to 1, and yes, that is equal to 1. Now we find the value of A22, that is minus 4 or that is minus 4 or minus 5 is equal to minus 9, and that is minus 4 or this is just a minute, second row minus 4 or minus 5. Now 1 to the 2 or plus 3, or that is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now we find the cofactor of the third row. It means third row आपकी eliminate हो जाएगी. So that is say minus minus plus 12 or minus 10 is equal to 2, or that is second minus 8, that is this into this minus 8, or minus 15 is equal to minus 23. Now next, that is 2 to the 4 or plus 9, 4 plus 9, that is 30. Again we check the cofactor of the second row, that is plus 6 or minus 5 is equal to 1, correct, or that is minus 4 or minus 5 is equal to minus 9, or that is 2 or plus 3 is equal to 5, and so on. So therefore we write the matrix A is equal to the matrix A inverse is equal to, we write adjoint of A, we write the matrix A inverse is equal to adjoint of A or divided by that A or A inverse is equal to, here that is minus, so we write, now change the sign of that. A11 no change, A12 change plus के, A13 no change, that is change, or that is change, 2 3 or that is change, or this is 0 2 1, 0 2 or 1, minus 1 minus 9 or that is minus 5, or that is 2 or 23 or that is 13, or divided by minus 1, तो that is minus 1 से अगर हम इसे डिवाइड करें, प्लस माइनस माइनस प्लस minus minus plus or minus. This is the value of the A inverse. Now we solve the equation of the system by using this inverse. इस inverse का हमें जो है solve करना है. We write the system in the form of AX is equal to B, where A should be equal to, that is 2 minus 3, 5, 3, 2 and minus 4. Now 1, 1 or that is minus 2, और मैट्रिक्स X आपकी आएगी, that is a variable matrix X, Y, Z, and this is the matrix is B, constant matrix, that is 11 or that is minus 5 or that is minus 3. Okay. If we compare A and this, so then both matrix are is same. So therefore X is equal to A inverse B, or we have already the value of the A inverse is equal to this. So this implies that because both matrices are same, we can also say here, हम इसे यहाँ ये भी कह सकते हैं, that is say Bx or that is say suppose C. So this matrix is B or that is say C. So in this case, this implies that A is equal to B, or this implies that B inverse is equal to A inverse, or X is equal to, that is say B inverse C, और B inverse की जगह हम पुट कर देंगे that is A inverse C, और this is equal to 0, 1, minus 2, 9, minus 23, minus 1, 5, minus 13, 11, minus 5, or minus 3. Now, this is equal to, if you see, अगर हम multiply करें this into this, that is 0 or minus 5 or plus के 3 2 जा 6, that is minus 22 or that is minus 45 or that is plus के 3 3 जा 9, 3 2 6, 69 or minus 11 or that is minus 25 or plus के 39. So this implies that we get the matrix देखिए X is equal to, that is the matrix is 1, और यहाँ अगर हम देखें तो 5 2 हमारे पास आ गया 7, 4 2 हो गया that is 6, और minus 67 plus 2 आ गया, दैट इज 2, और दैट इज 6 आपका ये आ गया, और -36 यानी के प्लस के 3 ये, और दैट इज द वेरिएबल मैट्रिक्स इज x y z, और दिस implies that on comparing x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3। देखिए बच्चों, आप लोग इस तरह से जितने भी हमारे एप्लीकेशन है मैट्रिक्स के, इनकी अच्छी प्रैक्टिस और करेंगे। अभी कुछ और हम डिफरेंट टाइप के क्वेश्चन आपको कराएंगे। Yes. Now, the next question here given A and B are the two matrices. Then find the value of the matrix A and B, multiplying of the matrix A to B, and hence solve the given these equation by using the this product। देखिए हम लोग इसको कैसे सोल्व करेंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स A and B। आप लोग जैसा कि बहुत अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं कि भाई हम ए बी की मल्टीप्लाई कैसे निकालेंगे। 1 -1 0 2 3 4 0, और that is say the matrix is here, that is 1, this is the matrix is 1, or that is 1 or 2 into matrix B, that is 2 2 -4 -4 2 or -4 2 -1 and 5। Now we find the multiplying A and B by using the method row by column। देखिए this into this 2 आ जाएगा, this into this that is 2 plus 4 or plus 0, this into this 2, this into this -2 or that is 0, this into this -4 plus 4 or that is 0। Now 2 to the 4 or that is 12 or 8 also 0, or that is 2 to the 4 or plus 6 or that is 4 R2 into C2 4 plus 6 or -4, यानी कि that is 6 or 0 0 or that is 6। तो दिस इज इक्वल टू, अगर हम यहाँ देखें तो 6 हम यहाँ से कॉमन ले सकते हैं, दैट इज 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 और दिस इज इक्वल टू 6i। तो here we find the value of the multiplication of the both matrix AB is equal to 6i। तो this implies that अगर हम यहाँ देखें here A inverse अगर हम देखें तो then what is the value of AB? तो A inverse is equal to, हम इसको ले आए, this implies that the product of A and B is equal to, that is say 6i। तो therefore the value of the A inverse is equal to B upon 6, B upon 6, and also we write B inverse is equal to A upon 6। यहाँ पर हमें दो रिजल्ट मिलेंगे, और रिजल्ट कैसे मिलेंगे देखिए, we know that A into A inverse is equal to I, so therefore A into B upon 6 in place of that is say I, so therefore the value of the inverse matrix is equal to B upon 6। Now by using this we solve the equation। देखिए हम जो गिवन इक्वेशंस हैं इन्हें कैसे सोल्व करेंगे। यस, नाउ we express the system in the form of matrix. Ax is equal to, that is say, A would be a Cx is equal to D here. We say that is Cx is equal to D, where C is equal to, अगर हम यहाँ देखें तो the matrix is the coefficient matrix, that is 1, -1, 0, 2, 3 and 4, or that is 0, 1 and 2, or the matrix X is X, Y, Z, and the matrix B is equal to, that is constant matrix 3, 17 and 7. Now, so therefore X is equal to C inverse D. But here you see A is equal to C, or this implies that A inverse is equal to C inverse, or here, or C inverse is equal to B upon 6, or that is 1 upon 6. We find the value of P, or the matrix B is the matrix X is equal to C inverse B inverse, or that is D, or this implies that B inverse C inverse is equal to A inverse, or the value of the A inverse is equal to B upon 6. देखिए that is X is equal to the variable matrix, that is X, Y and Z, और this is equal to A inverse की जगह हम रखेंगे यहाँ पर, that is say the matrix B by 6 और into matrix D, और the matrix B is equal to 1 by 6, 2, 2, -4, 2, -4 or 5, or here we take the matrix D, or the matrix D is 3, 17 and 7, 3, 17 and 7, or this is equal to 1 by 6, row by column, 6 or plus 34 minus 28 minus 12, that is say minus 12, or 17 to 34 minus 28, or 236, or minus 17 or plus 35 is equal to 1 by 6. that is देखिए अगर हम यहाँ देखें that 40 और 40 minus 28 that is 12, और यहाँ देखें 12, 28, 40 और that is 34, that is 6 और 6 और minus 17, 35 और 12 or plus 35. You see here the value of that is 12 minus 6, or that is 24, minus 6, 17 or plus 35, or that is says 24, or this is equal to 2, 1 or 4, or on comparing the value of x, y and z. So this implies that x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 or z is equal to 4.